I will talk about how can you add amounts on your Lemap. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on wallet here. When you just click here on wallet, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You select here choose amount. You just click on any of this. Click on add funds here. So then here can you select if you want to add it from credit card or Google Pay. Then automatically it's going to add with you on your Lame app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.